What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Crypto Gems. It's your favorite boy, George Lee, and today we have a special NFT project to show you. Now, even on the website, it says this slogan: this is more than just a badass profile photo. So get excited. I'm going to show you how you can get this NFT, why you should get this NFT, and what the unique differences are between this one and any other profile photo NFT. Before I do that, I need to give you the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only, so I can sit and hang out with you and make videos, find cool NFTs, and interact. Now, please put in the comments if you're excited. Let's get straight in. So everyone, here it is. Crypto Outlaws is what we're going to be doing today. Now, look already just on the front screen at the graphics. You can see everything. It reminds me a bit of Red Dead Redemption, the game I used to play on the PlayStation console. It's incredible. I've always wanted to be an outlaw, and this is like a real way that we can do this now. Now, everything that I show you on here will be in the links in the description. Please go down there and check them out. Only use trusted links. You know I like to say that. So you can see the countdown to the mint. You could join the Discord and join in with this countdown. Everyone in there is hyping, they're talking, they're interacting a lot, getting ready. We have 3 days, 8 hours as I record this. It will change as you watch this. As we scroll down the website, I'm going to give you a brief of everything that's going on. So the Crypto Outlaws are a wily crew of 7,777. Now we know outlaws, they like to gamble, they like to play a bit of poker. 777, we know that's a famous number, so it's quite clever how they've done that. They're pushing the limits of what's possible. Now go on here, do your own research as well. Obviously, I'm going to give you all the brief points that I can, but I can't go on here for 2 hours, so go on here and do your own research. But in a nutshell, the outlaws in this community are rebels pushing beyond the settled plains of traditional finance, organizing hierarchies, investing and online gambling into the wild west of crypto. Now, we've seen a few projects come out, like Slotties, things like that are bringing out this casino aspect of the metaverse. It's going to be a huge market, and an outlaw casino project, to me, seems like one of the greatest niches you could make. Because not only do people like playing cowboys and Indians, we like playing cowboys and Indians, we like gambling. Everybody loves to have adrenaline, have fun, and we could do that now as an outlaw in the West casinos. So in the wild west of crypto, radical new solutions are being forged to enable a better world, in which one day the less adventurous can join after the wild frontier has been tamed by those brave early settlers. Outlaws, if you will. This gives a new name to outlaws. That's what I think they're trying to do. Instead of just this criminal that did all that, it's given a new name to it. Anybody can join in. Anybody can get involved. The Crypto Outlaws are much more than just badass profile pictures. Now, you heard me say that in the introduction. This is where it came from. Obviously, remember, all the links are down below. Everything I talk about, you can get in the description. If you are into gambling, like I keep saying, this is a niche that is perfectly driven from the Crypto Outlaws. I've always wanted to sit there with my cowboy hat on, big mustache, cigar in hand, playing a bit of poker with the Outlaws, and now you physically can. Doesn't matter where in the world you are or what you're doing. Decentrally owned crypto casinos. Now, no longer do we just have one owner of a casino. The mafia used to run casinos back in the days. This is decentrally owned, so everybody can get a slice of the cake, okay? This is going to be unique. The technological advances that we have that we can make this happen is a unique factor in itself. Never mind bringing in the niche of cowboys. So if you want to gamble, if you want to get involved, this is the links you need to use. Go down into the description. Please use the right links, the trusted ones, or if someone you trust, and get involved. Join the Discord, join the Twitter, join everything that we're showing you on here today. It's going to be a massive platform. I do believe that. You can see the roadmap here. The first, there will be a pre-sale, 777 Bravest Outlaws, that quirky number again. For these lucky few, prices discounted to only 0.05 ETH. Now, most projects right now are going for about 0.2. So I'm very, very impressed that they managed to keep it down. If you can get on the whitelist, it's going to be very profitable in my opinion, only in educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. This is the roadmap. It's a massive cactus. I think in other countries you call it a cacti. Whoever's right, put it in the comments. You'll let me know. And it goes through what's going to happen as they get sold all the way down. Like I said, do your own research, please. The value of becoming an outlaw. You can go on here and read what it really means to be an outlaw. Okay, with the exclusive poker rooms, no rake access. Basically, that just means that you can get some money back from people actually gambling. You can physically be the house on this one. Okay, you don't just have to lose money gambling or win money. Who knows? I always lose it. But our alts to the outlaw gang. You can see here the limited supply of 7777. An on-chain casino will be made. They promise you it will be made. and full commercial rights and IP ownership of your NFT. Of course, that is how every NFT project is going. It should be going like that. You can go down, and if you're really into the poker side, it shows you why you should be playing poker with them. Have a look. Basically, in a nutshell, they're telling you it's going to be cheaper ways of getting into casinos, how to gamble, and you can actually start raking back some of the profits from other people. Now, that's the end of the website. The website's super, super good. You can have a look through a bit more, but what I want to do is jump over to the Twitter and show you that before I give you my summary. So here we go. The reason I wanted to show you the Twitter is because if you notice here, every video I've done so far, if you're supporting me, please put in the comments, I support you. I've seen some of your videos. That'd be great to know. 588 followers on this one. So most of the videos I've done have had thousands and thousands. Now, what does this mean? This doesn't mean this project isn't great, because I tell you now at Crypto Gems, we wouldn't be showing you if it wasn't great. But what it means is you are in super, super early, real early. There's only 588 people on the planet following their Twitter. This means if you can get a slice of this, it's a very high chance you can get a whitelist, and you can seriously bank profit of people that are going to be gambling in the casinos in the crypto world when this comes out. Please do your own research. Only invest what you can invest. I can't say enough disclaimers on this one because it's about gambling, but 588, we are so early. Now, if you're watching this in 1 year's time from now, let me know, was I right? Did I get this right? And how much have we made? Scroll down, you'll see, because it's a very little followed Twitter, there's not a lot of interaction. But I don't mind it. Everything they've got on there looks transparent. They're giving away prizes. I see this going to blow up pretty fast. So that's all I'm going to say about the Twitter. I'm going to jump over to my summary right now. But 588, we are real early for this. So please try your best to get whitelisted. Join the Discord, be active, and let me know how it goes. So everyone, let me know in the comments if you think I was right. This is more than just a badass profile photo. You can see from everything that I've just said. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to become an outlaw. I tell you that now. I've always wanted to be, but I want to do it the right way. And this to me is the right way. So again, at Crypto Gems, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, put in the comments, I love George's NFTs. I love everything about this channel, whatever you want, get excited. Let's do this together. And until next time, have a great weekend. All the best.